In this video, I will be showing you how to make a functioning sign-in button in Canva. Let's get started. First, from the Canva homepage, I click on Create a Design in the top left corner and select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a blank canvas. Once the editor opens, I click on the blank canvas to select it. Then go up to the background color tile on the top toolbar and choose a solid blue color. Next, I navigate to the left sidebar and click on Elements. Under the Basic Shapes section, I click on the rounded square shape to add it to the canvas. With the shape selected, I go to the top toolbar, open the color palette, and change the fill color to white. Then, I click and drag the side handles to stretch the shape horizontally into a wide rectangle. To give it a smooth pill shape, I click on the border style icon at the top, adjust the corner rounding slider all the way up to 100, and resize and position the button right in the center of the canvas. Now, I head over to the Text tab on the left sidebar and click Add a Heading. I double-click inside the text box and type in Sign in all capital letters. To customize the text, I select it, open the text color menu on the top toolbar, and choose the matching blue shade. I drag the corner handle to increase the font size and align the text neatly inside the button shape. Then, I open the font drop-down menu and select Pop-ins for a clean, bold look. To make the button interactive, I click on the white background shape, click the three dots on the floating toolbar, and select Link. In the URL field, I paste the Canva sign-in link and click Done. Next, I click on the sign-in text element, click the three dots, select Link, paste the exact same URL, and click Done so that both the shape and the text are fully clickable. Now it is time to test out our button. I head to the top right corner and click the Share button. I select Public View Link, click Create Public View Link, and then click Copy to grab the generated link. Finally, I open a new browser tab, paste the copied link into the address bar, and press Enter. Once the preview loads on screen, I click directly on our button, and it immediately redirects straight to the sign-in page. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a functioning sign-in button in Canva.